Hello everyone, my name is Andrew Nada, and today I'm talking about the internet and why it should be free for everyone. But really I feel like it shouldn't be free because it depends on what you offer. At the end of the day, it's more of trying to save money than having it given, I guess, for free, because there's not a single thing in this world that's for free. So why I think it is, new researchers, with torture and what I was saying, with like, it, it depends on your decision, which is like, what you go on, or how much are you going to be using, or, how many systems do you need to connect to the Wi-Fi or to go on the internet. It just depends on what you want to go on. So what is it like now, having to pay for internet when you should be able to walk outside and go for a walk, still having internet, but that means it's using data. And data you have to pay for with your phone plan, or really just you hotspot off your phone to your laptop or whatever you want. It definitely is saving you money, sort of, just because it depends on what you get out of your phone plan deal or with your Wi-Fi router, really. So a way to fix it, there's a process going underground Wi-Fi. It is safer for the environment, and it's really more of not getting destroyed. So if you have your satellite dish up there, which is the proper on your house, well, it used to be where you could have your Wi-Fi connected to the side of the house. Now it's going to be underground, where it's just going to feed through your house to your router, and then have a little box on the outside to tell you if it's fully on or fully off. And really, if you want a free Wi-Fi, you can either go to fast food places. They're for free. All you have to do is just hop on, and it's welcome for everyone. Looking at a better way to change from before to now in the future, changing the world by not paying if there is a way for free and not making a mess in the world with destroying population and having it stronger in a way where everyone has it, so you have Wi-Fi for free and use that all times. That would be cool, but at the end of the day, it's like, it depends on what's coming next for the future. You can only get deals with it. And data for Wi-Fi. Start having to waste time trying to connect to the Wi-Fi when it will connect right away after you need it to have underground Wi-Fi. So, which is really, all you have to do is hotspot your phone and you can get data. It just depends on how much you get with your phone plan. So you just have to talk to whoever your phone plan or connector is, and you can hotspot to your laptop if you have to do homework or whatever. It's just a better way, and it's a lot faster, and you save a lot more money than actually having Wi-Fi, really. So my conclusion, the reason is that people are on their phones all the time, and most people have their phone plans or a family plan, and where you're spending lots of money for Wi-Fi and data. If you were the right company, then you should be able to save lots of money. People today need the internet for everything they do, like work, school, and literally baseball, or communicating, like texting, or talking, sharing to the world, like posting on social media. It's still the internet, like it goes around and around, but it's still not free. You can get discounts or whatever to save money, but it's still not free. So I just wish that it could change, but thank you for listening to my presentation.